Hey guys, today I will show you step by step how you can easily do this intro for your presentation. This will take you less than 5 minutes to do. If you like it, let's go. So the first thing we'll need to do is to copy our image and create a background from that image. To do so, we go into Format Background, we have our picture ready, we select the picture, cut it, or Ctrl X, then go into Picture or Texture field and click on the clipboard. It will copy our image and make it as a background. Then we will copy our image once again, and let's make it of the same size as our background is. To do so, let's align the picture to the center. It should be already on the center, and align on the middle. And now we'll need to crop the image to the size of the slide. Okay, so we have now the background, and we have now our picture of the same size as the slide. And we will need to add an extra layer that will make our background transparent. So we will add a rectangle shape that will cover our background. We will remove the outline, and let's make it white and transparent. That should do. Okay. We will use this picture. This will be our background, but this picture will be used to fit in our phone frame. I will show you shortly. So the next step is to get a PNG image of a phone frame. I'm using cleanpng.com. I will put the link in the description. So we have the frame of the phone here. And now let's align our picture again to the center and to the middle. And let's bring it to the front. And let's bring the frame to front as well. So let's select what picture we want to fit in the frame. So I will go with this one. And now, selecting the image, we will crop it to the size of that phone frame. Okay. Okay, this looks nice. Then, what do we need next? We need title. Sorry. Let's add a title. Let's add a title. Let's make it bigger. And let's change the font. By default, the text is black. Let's make it of the similar dark brown color. Okay. And we'll make a table of content and make the text a bit smaller. Let's place it to the middle, like this. And let's insert an icon that will lead us to that table of content. You can go with any type of icon you want. I decided to go with one that PowerPoint offers, just to simplify the things. And let's add an additional text. Okay. So we have this, this, and this. What we will do next is we will duplicate our slide, and we'll go back to slide number 1. we will leave the duplicate slide like this. This will be our second slide, and we will make the other changes on the first slide. So let's minimize the slide and drag this to the left. You can hold Shift when dragging them, so this will allow you to drag your image, text, or shape on the same line. So even if you move your mouse up and down, it will stay on the same line. This will allow us to have a smooth transition when we will add it. So we want the text to come from the left, this one, table of content and icon, to come from the left. This one we would like to come from the bottom. You can choose this text to come from the side, from the top, from this side, but then it will overlap with the phone frame. So by holding Shift, we drag the frame out, and now we select the cropped image and crop it again, and crop it that way that we get into that frame again. Okay, so let's add transition, morph transition, and let's see what we have. Yeah, looks nice so far. So let's duplicate the slide again. That will be the slide with table of content. So for this slide, we want this to go out. Then let's move this up, and you'll see how it looks. Then we'll want the frame to go down. And again, we will move the picture down by cropping it, not by moving the picture itself. So, and again, to fit the screen, we'll leave this one here, and table of content, we will move it to the top here and to the middle, like this. And we can make it a bit bigger. And enlarge the icon as well. That's so big. Okay, and now we will need to add our content. I have some content saved already. Just save your time. So these are the 5 pieces in the content, 5 elements that we would like our presentation to cover. So placing it in the middle. Now let's copy, because if we don't copy it to the slide number 2, it will simply appear from nowhere. But if we go into the slide number 2 and by holding Shift, drag this to the bottom, this text will come from the top to the bottom, to the center actually. So do we want it to come from the top, or do we want it to come from the bottom? Let's see how it will work this way. Yeah, probably from the bottom is better. So now we basically have our intro for our presentation done. The only thing that's left is to link these 2 elements with slide number 3. That will allow us to click on it and move to slide number 3. So we go into hyperlink, search for place in this document, and we need slide number 3. And the same we select for the icon, slide number 3. So let's check what we have now. So first slide, it will bring our frame with this. Then you see that once you hover over table of content, or the icon, you're allowed to click. By clicking it, you move straight to the table of content and those 5 items. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video and find it useful, please give it a like, comment, share with friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.